Hi friends, I am Dr. Dhandapani, MDC Coimbatore. Today I would like to share with you the future scope of mechanical engineering, how it looks, right? Because nowadays people are telling that the mechanical is waste. Mechanical you are getting only less salary. Mechanical there is no scope in future. But I am telling you, in future, not only pure mechanical, along with multiple domain, if you have a skill, then definitely you will have a bright future in the field of mechanical, along with your other additional skills. Because we know that for the past 10-15 years, we have the very fast development in other domain compared to the mechanical or civil or electrical field, right? Especially for mechanical field, we should know the basic and fundamental concept about the mechanical domain. Apart from this, there are plenty of field. If you want to change the field from production to design, or fabrication to design, or quality to design, or testing to design, or marketing to design, yes, it is possible. It is possible. And moreover, there are plenty of opportunities which is available in mechanical domain, right? There are a lot of opportunities, but you should know the fundamental and basic skill about mechanical engineering, and you can incorporate with those information to the software. Apart from this, you should know the to the certain extent like electronics, right? Because nowadays any say for example, if you take a car, if you are going to make a car, so you are working as a design engineer in car manufacturing industry, so you know only mechanical field. Apart from this, you should know, because we are using sensors and signals and communication and other things, even coding and programming is also applicable for run the vehicle or active the vehicle. So for that reason, not only mechanical, including mechanical, some other domain also involved, like electrical department, electronics department, computer science department, and automation department, and so on, right? Even nowadays there is a biggest scope which is available in robotics and automation, correct? So if any mechanical engineer, if you want to become a design domain or design field, so you should know, along with your mechanical engineering domain, additional informations whatever I said now. So then definitely you will get a very good opportunity and very good bright future in this this particular career. And moreover, the most important is, you know that the biomedical engineering, so we have a lot of opportunities available in biomedical engineering, particularly in mechanical engineers is required. So any accident or any operation if he wants to do, nowadays the robot is going to do the operation. Robo based requirement, there are plenty. Who is going to manufacture or who is going to design the robot? Yes, it's a mechanical engineer role. So even though if it is another domain like biomedical engineering, the mechanical engineer role is much more important, and moreover you are getting very highest salary in this particular design engineers in future, right? Because of multiple skill or multiple domain your expertise. So without these informations or without these knowledge you are not updating, then definitely it is very difficult to survive in this particular mechanical field or design domain. So if you get this particular informations, or if you have very good skill about these information, definitely you will get a very good opportunity in this particular not only within India or even abroad also you are getting a lot of opportunities.